All right, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It all depends on when you are coming across this video. Okay, this is a BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, so all we do in this our channel is that we talk about things that concerns jamb, post UTME and admission. Okay, so if you have been writing jamb for over the years now, you have not gotten admission. What you will do now, this is your opportunity. You register and become our candidate, and we will help you to gain admission. All right, so that's probably what we'll do for you. So today's video, I know just like the way I promised you guys here, that every questions that some of my candidates ask me, I will always come here to answer the question so that people out there will know, will learn from that also. Okay, so they have come to ask me the list of, although my previous video I did, they ask about state universities that doesn't conduct post UTME examination. So that should give them the list. So they also asked about federal universities that doesn't write post UTME examination, and as well private universities also. So I have come with a list of federal universities that doesn't write um, post UTME. Okay, so as of today, the list of federal universities, I don't know if you have your biro or you have your paper and your pencil, you can be jotting it down while I'm telling you from the list. So although this video, I will split it into two parts. Okay, that's to say that this one will be the part one of the video, while the second one will be the part two of the video. All right, so you will stay tuned and watch this video, all right, from beginning to the end. Or if you want to know the list, if you want to know the federal universities in Nigeria that doesn't write post UTME, so that you can be able to know if your school is among or your school is not among. If your school is not among, here you know that your school is writing post UTME. Okay, or you can still let me know, so that, or you can still message me if on WhatsApp, so that I can check out for you if your school is not writing post UTME but we didn't include it on the list also. Okay, so I want to also let you know that we have a WhatsApp community. Okay, we have a WhatsApp community for our jamb 2024 UTME candidate. Okay, so if you want to join our WhatsApp community, you will let me know on the comment section that you want to join. I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. You will message me on WhatsApp, then I'll add you to our community. All right, and you got to meet with your fellow aspirants and candidates there, so you can interact with them and catch your phone and have a whole lot there. Okay, so now I'll start from number one on the list. Okay, so I'll start from number one on the list. The number one we have on the list is Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University. Of course, you people know, you know the university I'm talking about. So if you want to know further about them, you can still use your Google search engine to find out more about the school. Right, so we have Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University. That's the one on the first list. They don't write post UTME. All they do is online screening. I have explained what online screening is. So that one, you don't need to be physical in the school. Okay, they will explain, they will screen you. They will be the one to do the screening. You are not the one involved. What you only do is to pay, register. When you register for the screening, they will screen you with your O-level results and your jamb results. All right, with your documents, they will screen you. All right, and in some cases, after your screening, they will provide your screening results for you. All right, so that's basically what they do. Okay, so that's number one. The number two on our list is Adeyemi College of Education. Adeyemi College of Education. they don't write post UTME. Okay, what they do is screening. The third on our list is Adekunle Ajasin University. Adekunle Ajasin University. Please, if I'm not getting the names well, you will actually help me. Alright, because I know the schools are popular and so many of us know the schools. Okay, you guys should bear with me. Alright, if I'm not actually getting the names well. Okay, so the fourth on our list is AAU, which is Ambrose Ali University. Ambrose Ali University. That's the fourth on our list, is Ambrose Ali University. Ambrose Ali University, they don't do post UTME. What they do is internal screening. That screening is what they do. So now the fifth on our list is Federal University Wukari, Federal University Wukari. So they don't write post UTME. What they do is screening. Federal University Wukari. They don't write post UTME. Okay. The number 6 on our list is Federal University Gasho, Yobe State. That's what the school is. Yobe. Okay. Federal University Gasho, Yobe State. And the last on our list is Federal University Kashri. I guess Kashri is Nasarawa State. Okay, so you check it out, which is the last number. That's Federal University Kashri. That's the last number. So this is where I will be ending the video for the part 1. So you check out the part 2, because I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so that you guys doesn't complain about it. Okay, so that's why I said you should stay from the beginning of the video to the last very side of the video. All right, so you know if your school is among there or not. Okay, so don't forget, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. It's very, very important to us. Okay, you are encouraging us. Okay, so you like the video so that YouTube algorithm will recommend it to other people out there looking for content like this. Okay, so this will be ending this part 1 for now. Watch out for the part 2. All right, so until I see you guys in my next video again, don't forget I do love and cherish you guys. Keep winning.